And special thanks to our friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send us this Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. So inside of this is a great OtterBox alternative, in my opinion, better than an OtterBox. I actually, nothing else in the box, used Supcase cases years ago before I ever made videos, and my Google Pixel back in 2016 was in one of these cases, flew off my car onto the road, was ran over by cars, and was still perfectly fine. So I've been a Supcase supporter since well before they ever partnered with me to make videos from them, and that's really a true story. So we get a little guide for the screen protector and assembly instructions. And then this is the front part of your case. So you can see here, peel all this off. So this would, of course, hop onto the front of your phone. And we even have a very nice belt clip. You can turn this any way you need and have your phone quickly at reach. One of my favorite features of these cases. And this one actually kind of comes with two cases. So you can use this one with the built-in screen protector, which personally I would recommend. Or you can just pop your phone into here and put your own screen protector on. So we will pop this part of the case out, and then we'll go ahead and assemble the case. So we'll take our Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, we will hop it into here, and then we take this and pop into the rubber protected case. Bingo, just like that. Now, there is of course some very nice thick rubber around this case. These are drop tested and military standard. There's a little etched part here in the included screen protector, so you know exactly where to put your thumb, speaker grill, and a covered USB-C port, little lanyard or wrist strap, tiny little Supcase logo there, and then your power button, volume buttons. And then on the back is the best part. You have the cutout for your cameras and your flash, and then a nice included kickstand. So with this, you could set your phone vertical for people who like vertical videos, or you can set it horizontal for people like me who like horizontal videos. You could also use this as almost like a ring holder to help hold your phone while you're using it. Pretty nice. And then of course, the best part is the included clip. So you can pop your phone right into here and show off your beautiful, looks almost army green, Samsung Galaxy S24 Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase case. So that is essentially what this case would look like on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Thanks again to Supcase, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.